With an aim to showcase India's manufacturing prowess and the progress we achieved towards an Aatmanirbharta, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 14th edition of Asia's largest aero show, Aero India 2023 in Bengaluru. Indigenous equipment and technologies and the partnership between foreign companies will be displayed during the 5-day event. The event will highlight the central government's vision of Make in India, Make for the World. At the inauguration, Prime Minister Modi said, Aero India is an example of the expanding capabilities of India. The presence of around 100 nations here shows that the trust of the world in India has increased. More than 700 exhibitors from India and the world are participating. It has broken all the past records. He further added that Aero India reflects the new approach of New India. There was a time when it was considered just a show. In the past few years, the nation has changed this perception. Today, it's not just a show but also India's strength. It focuses on the scope of Indian defense industry and self-confidence. While the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh at the event stated that, in the global sky, India has emerged as a star which is not only shining but also illuminating others with its glow. He added that Aero India is a showcase of aerospace that has two important characteristics, height and speed. These two qualities define the working and personality of the Prime Minister. Height of integrity and commitment for India, speed of decision making and delivering results. The event's theme is The Runway to a Billion Opportunities. The event will benefit the startups and the MSMEs of India in the global supply chain and will help attract foreign investments in the country. More than 80 countries will be participating in the event and ministers of around 30 countries and 65 CEOs of global and Indian OEMs are believed to attend the event. Besides this, the Aero India 2023 exhibition will witness 800 defense companies, out of which 100 are foreign and 700 are domestic companies. As per the Ministry of Defense, the 5-day event will radiate the rise of a strong and self-reliant New India by displaying India's growth in aerospace and defense capabilities.